Okay guys, here we have the dimension gate. Okay, this is a single sheet, however, there are two different options, two different genres if you like. We've got the fantasy version and we've also got the sci-fi version, okay, both of which are totally cool. We probably showed you the sci-fi version more than we showed you the fantasy version. So I'm going to assemble the fantasy version. Let's start with the main bulk of the actual part here. Okay, first of all, you've got the actual stand for the vortex, as it were. There you go. That's that. Then, in order to get this to work, stand up, you need to assemble the steps that it slots onto. Okay, so let's assemble those, or we could put it on here first. Pop it one on here and one on there. Okay, that now stands up, and we just want to put the steps in that go across. There's two different types of steps. There's a longer step that's got a longer piece on it here. You see that sticks out a bit longer. You see that? It's a little bit deeper. Okay, so we can assemble those at the top. So we put the bottom ones on first. Okay, and these are quite pointy, the parts. Got a bit of card stuck in that one. If you get a little bit of card here, just stuck in there, you can just use a blade to sort of kind of pick it and pull it out. Okay, I'm not going to bother, I'm just going to squash this in because I'm impatient. So I'm going to pop that on the bottom like so and slot that in there. Then again, taking the other shorter one, I'm going to pop it in here and give it a little bit of a jiggle sometimes, like so. Slot that on there. Then you've got the first of the top ones on the top there. Very pointy, these steps, so you might want to just lift the pointy bits a little bit as you slot it in. Okay, a little bit fiddly. Again, this is not reversible, so once it's in, it's in. There you go. Like so. Oops, and on this side. And then once that's in, just centre them. Once you popped it in, you'll want one step to push the other step back a bit, and it makes the nice fall to the top stairs, as it were. Stairs. Lastly, you've just got these two little bits here, which create the light dish. There's one side's not got any flame texture on it, so the side with the flame texture you want going up, and that'll be the reflection, for want of a better word, and that creates one of your little dishes. Okay, and the same again for the other side, and there you go. That's it. That is activated dimension gate, deactivated dimension gate. Okay, totally cool. And again, it's exactly the same as the sci-fi version. The other bits on here are really just accessories that go with it. So, for example, we've got these plimps, okay, which go around, and these are, I'll just do one of them. These are exactly the same as these little guys here. Same as when you're doing your pillars, and the same as when you're doing your plimps for your gargoyles to stand on. Okay, so just slot those together. And on the sci-fi version, these are like cargo crates. These become cargo crates. So you just pop that like that, and that like that. Pop it in here, slide it down, turn it over, pull it out a little bit. There you go. And on here you've got these different symbols. Okay, and they line up with the idols. So this one is what is that? That one is water, isn't it? So I should have a water. There it is, water idol. I can pop that out. Okay, the cut on this one's a bit tougher. Let me see if I can. There we go. There's that, and again, this has got that little tab of card in there. So I'll see if I can pop that out. Come on, get it out of there. Haven't got my scalpel with me on. Haven't actually got my scalpel with me on assembly videos. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, and then pop one of these out as well. And then slot them onto their little bases, like so. And you end up with your little idol. Okay, and that then fits on there. And each one of these has got a different symbol on it. So we've got wind, we've got earth, and we've got fire as well. And we've got the fire, wind, kind of tornado, mountain for earth as well. So there's going to be some really cool ideas in your scenario if you need to be able to. You can hide these throughout your dungeon, and your characters have to find these and put them on here in the right order in order to activate the gate, and that will then take you to your other area. Who knows, maybe when you come out it'll be a sci-fi gate and you'll be in a, you know, some kind of futuristic stronghold. What a crazy idea. Okay, so there you go. That is the dimension gate assembly.